Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our Walmart Beauty Box. This is a quarterly box, so the one that we have right now is the summer box. All right, now for those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below as well as a coupon code so you can get money off on your first box. Now, since we're talking about money, I just want to let you know the cost for this box is $8.95 per quarter. I was going to say month, but it's per quarter. Okay. And this one is still available. So if you would like to get it and try it out for yourself, that will be wonderful. So when we open the box, this is what we see. Of course, right there, you see nothing but the description booklet. But here are a couple sneak peeks of what's inside for this quarter. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So our Walmart Beauty description pamphlet says Summertime Beauty Edit. And so it says, hello, sunshine. Step into summer with this curated mix of beauty essentials. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item that we have is by La Roche-Posay, and this one is the UV Pro Sport Sunscreen in SPF 50. It says it provides high endurance, water resistant sun protection against 98% of UVB rays with cell Ox Shield technology. Its dermatologist recommended broadband spectrum sunscreen has a breathable, non-greasy texture specifically designed to provide superior UV protection during any sport or physical activity. It blends seamlessly with all skin tones, no transfer, no white cast, no stains or stinging. Now, as you see, we do have a sample size. All right. But if you were to get the full size, it would come in a 6.7 fluid ounce size, and the cost would be $32.97. Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life, and it says it's a lightweight, water resistant for up to 80 minutes at a time. All right. So this one is item number one. Now, most times we do get sample size, but they've been known to throw quite a few of the full size products in here. And that's not bad for less than $9 per quarter. Okay. The next item that we have is by Chapstick. And it says this one is the I Love Summer Collection Lip Balm Variety Pack. Now it says that it has 3 sticks, and each stick is 0.15 ounces each. One is pink lemonade, the second is peaches and cream, and the third one is sweet watermelon. All right, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $3.88. Okay, fantastic. All right, now they usually smell just that good. All right, so just so you know. All right, now let's keep moving on. The next item that we have is a sample shampoo and conditioner by Palmer's Adhesion Vanilla Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm going to start with the conditioner, and then I'll give you the information for the shampoo. It says the conditioner is rich, creamy conditioner, instantly surrounds strands in deep moisture and nutrients. Okay. Restores, softens, detangles, and improves manageability. And it leaves hair silky, shiny, and healthier looking. Okay. Now, the shampoo, it says, is gentle, creamy, and it lifts away dirt, oil, and buildup. No harsh detergents. It won't strip, and it minimizes tangles. It leaves hair, cuticles, and follicles perfect for conditioning. All right. Now, if you were to get the full size, it would be 10.6 fluid ounces for each one, and the cost would be $5.97 each. Okay. So excited about that. And they do have a 12-month shelf life each. Fantastic. Love me some Palmer's products, y'all. And we've received their lotion, well, their moisturizer in a previous Walmart box. Okay, let's keep going. The next item that we have is by Curology. Now, it seems as if this was an option. All right, this one is the emergency spot patch. And this is what it looks like. All right. And it says there are 20 patches inside. Sudden spot, we've got emergencies covered with a low profile hydrocolloid patch that absorbs that gunk. It's fast acting, healing support whenever and wherever. And it tells you exactly how to apply. And as I stated, there are 20 patches in each of these. So this is not the full size. The full size would be double, and that would be 40 of them. And the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $9.92. Not bad, right? Okay, let's keep moving. The next item that we have is by Gimme. All right. And this says it is the Gimme Beauty Bounce Back Hairbands. What do you say about a hairband? Okay. Well, it says it's gentle on the hair. It's long-lasting firm hold, no dents or hair breakage. That is so important. And it says more comfort, less tension. Now it says for 3 hair types. That's interesting. One. Oh, okay. So this is what the 3 hair types mean. So if you look at it here, you have a thin band on the top, and it's 2 of those. Then you have the medium one, 2 of those, and then 1 of the largest or widest. Okay. Now it says for curly or textured hair, which I love. Now, just so you know, why in the world would I get this one? Because when you fill out your profile, it asks what type of hair you have. So the one that I received is designed for very thick hair, which is what I have. All right. Now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this, even though this one is not a full size, the full size would have 12 bands and it would be $7.90. I'm kind of excited about this hairband situation because I received a set in a previous box earlier this month. I believe that was in nope, it was in last month's Ipsy Extra. Okay. Then I received a claw clip in my Allure, and now these, okay, my hair is going to be just like I need it to be. I can put my own hair in and wear a ponytail and be just as comfortable without worrying about things that are going to damage my hair. Okay, so next product that we have is by Nair. And it's this one right here. And this one is the Nair Wax Ready Face and Bikini Hair Removal Strips. Now, this one is a sample size. There are 8 strips inside. And it says the scent is orchid and cherry blossom extracts. It says long-lasting results up to 4 weeks, helps minimize hair regrowth, leaves skin soft and smooth, and it is dermatologist tested with a 97% natural origin formula. Okay? Very nice. It does say it's never tested on animals. Now, if you were to get the full size, it would be 40 strips, and the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $7.82. Okay, one last item, and that one is this item right here. And this one is the Village Naturals Therapy Calm Magnesium Bath Flakes. and it says it is 100% natural magnesium chloride plus key ingredients to moisturize and calm. It has ingredients like lavender essential oil and jojoba oil. Now, the jojoba oil mixture is to moisturize, whereas the lavender essential oils are to calm. All right. It says soothe the body and mind and soak up the benefits of magnesium chloride with a relaxing and restorative bath. All right. It says it promotes muscle relaxation and skin hydration. This one is a 4.5 ounce size, pure soaking solution with jojoba for moisturizing. Yes, yes, and yes. And it soothes muscles and joints. Now, this one is a full-size product, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $2.96. Now, what do you think about this? I'm checking. I have to tell you, I'm actually here for this. This one is a good box. It's a very good box. All right, so you have your soak. I just want to smell one of them. Okay, so I'm going to open up one chapstick. All right, we do have 3. What's your suggestion? Watermelon, peach, or pink lemonade? Let me think which one my husband might like, and that'll be the one that I open. Maybe peaches and cream. Now, he might say that's a little too girly. So I'll open the watermelon and we'll see what that one smells like. I do like that they all are safety sealed with the paper on it. Just snap it till, or turn it till it snaps off. And yes, it definitely has a subtle watermelon scent. This is really nice. Okay. All right. So I do know that we have 3 of these. So tell me, what are your thoughts? What about these particular items that we received? Now, is it worth $9? I would say yes, because there are items here that you would want to try first. Do you really want to go and spend $10 and not like your shampoo and conditioner? Probably not. Curology, this is giving you a chance to try them out before you go and spend the money to purchase them, because there are so many patches that are available now. Okay, and this right here, I am so here for it. Even though it says a full size is 12, I'm not mad at this one because we have 5 right here. That'll take care of the hair. And definitely the sunscreen. Would you want to spend $30, more than $30, on a sunscreen and then it not work for you? The claims that they have don't work for you? No. But I enjoy the Walmart Beauty Box each time it comes out. I don't think I've been disappointed yet. Okay, so I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our summer Walmart Beauty Box. These are the items that we received. If we were to get the full size of each of the items, that is this amount that is down below. Okay, now make sure you like this video. Let me know your thoughts. Okay, leave them in the comment section down below. Yes, I liked it. No, I didn't. This is my reason why. Okay, now I do want you to know that Walmart Beauty Box, they have someone who checks each of the videos that go up. That way you're letting us know and we are letting them know. Okay, so if you're feeling some kind of way, just put it down below. They'll see it. How about that? Okay, and share this video with someone else. Let them know about the Walmart Beauty Box. Okay, and make sure you use the code that's down below if you decide to go ahead and try it for yourself. Okay, now make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you know what? It's easy on the pocket because it is free. All right. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.